Here is today's question. When you're ready, pause the video, give it a go. Today's question is a higher question. It's because it involves SURDS and manipulation of SURDS. A trapezium ABCD has an area of 5 root 6. They've marked that on. AB equals 4, BC equals root 3, DC equals K. They've marked all that on, but it's always worth checking because sometimes you don't. You need to then put that in. Calculate the value of K, given your answer in the form A root B minus C, where A, B and C are positive integers. There will be more than one way to do this, but they're talking about area. Area is specifically mentioned. Trapezium is specifically mentioned. Let's work with the area of trapezium. Half the sum of the parallel sides. Half the sum of the parallel sides times the height between them. That is how you calculate the area of a trapezium. So I've got a bit of manipulation now. They want me to find K. So I'm just going to simplify this a little bit. A half times root 3 is exactly the same as root 3 over 2. K plus 4 equals 5 root 6. I want to get K on its own. The first step, I want to get rid of this 2. So I've got root 3, K plus 4. I'm multiplying both sides by 2. When I say both sides, I mean both sides of that equal sign. I'm going to multiply by 2 equals 10 root 6. I'm going to divide both sides by the root of 3. And then I'm going to subtract 4. So I'm almost done, but it wants it in this format. So when it says in this format, it should look like that with A, B and C being integers, positive whole numbers. So I've just got to manipulate this a little bit. There's a third rule you need to remember, and it looks like this. The root of A divided by the root of B is exactly the same as the root of A divided by B. These are the same, they're interchangeable. I can go this way and I can also go this way. But if you look, ignore that 10 for now. I've got 6 and 3, so I've got root 6 over root 3, which is the same as the root of 6 divided by 3, which is the same as 6 divided by 3 is 2, the root of 2. This is the same as 10 times the root of 2. So K equals 10 root 2 subtract 4. So that's what an area question with SURDS looks like. Have a go at this challenge question. If you don't want the hint, pause the video now. This is actually SURDS along with area and compound area. So you're going to find the area of the big triangle. You need to subtract the area of the smaller triangle. Can you work out the exact area? Remember, SURDS give you an exact answer in centimetres squared of the shaded region. Join me tomorrow for another question, and don't forget, a maths question a day keeps those bad grades at bay.